Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located on Wickham Avenue, Allerdyce, St. Andrew, is this lovely, spacious fixer-upper that has a large front and backyard. It boasts a large garden and a long driveway with a spacious double carport. There are 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, large back patio, medium-sized front patio, large kitchen, living and dining room, family room, breakfast nook, and housekeeper's bedroom with bathroom. This house sits on 0.34 acres. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 85 million or US $552.2 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.